Let's take a look at the Pengoloo game. This is a fun game for younger kids to play. It's basically a memory game, and it's got these really cool, high-quality little penguins. And each one of these guys, you can see, are super cute. They're made out of wood, which I love, so it has that sort of organic feel to this. They've got a colorful egg inside of the penguin. And you basically set these up, and they have their eggs over them. You can imagine these all set up on the table. They have these little scorecards, so up to 4 people can play. And then they take turns rolling a dice that has like a little colorful thing on it. And they try to find that color penguin. So they pick up each penguin, look at the egg, see if it's the right color. If it's not, they put it back. And they have to remember, as different players roll, where the penguin colorful eggs are. And they end up matching them up. It's super fun, super easy. It's something that a little kid can play really readily. And it's colorful. The wooden design to it is, again, really great. And it's good for that fine motor skills, too, especially for the littlest kids, putting the egg and the penguin back together there. So super fun game.